In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Mouseover information and tags in draw.io. If you want your diagrams to explain themselves and stay easy to filter as they grow, tooltips and tags are your best friends. Let's start by opening draw.io, also known as diagrams.net. Head to the app in your browser and open an existing diagram or create a new one. Once your canvas is ready, click any shape or connector you want to annotate. You can pick a rectangle, a process step, or even a line. Anything you want to give a little extra context to. With the shape selected, go to the top menu and choose Edit, then Edit Tooltip. A small editor will appear. Type the text you want people to see when they hover over this shape. Think of it like a helpful hint or a short note. Keep it concise and clear, such as a definition, owner, or a link description you plan to document elsewhere. When you're happy with the wording, click Apply. Now move your mouse over the shape and you'll see the tooltip appear. This is a great way to reduce clutter on the canvas while still keeping important details one hover away. Next, let's make your diagram searchable and filterable with tags. Select a shape you want to categorize, then right-click it and choose Edit Data. This opens the data editor for that specific object. Click Add Property, name the property tags, and click OK. You've just created a place to store keywords for that shape. In the value field for tags, enter the terms you want, separated by spaces. For example, you might include environment, role, system, or status keywords. Use consistent naming so your filters work reliably. Short, lowercase words often work best. You can always come back and adjust these later as your diagram evolves. To control visibility based on tags, open the Tags panel by going to the View menu and choosing Tags. The panel will list the tags it detects in your diagram. Use the checkboxes to show or hide shapes that match those tags. This is perfect for focusing on just one audience, phase, or system layer without creating separate files. Toggle a few tags and watch the canvas update, then clear your selections to bring everything back. That's it. You've added Mouseover information to keep details accessible without crowding your diagram, and you've set up tags so you can filter content as your diagram grows. Save your work, keep your tag names consistent, and use tooltips to guide viewers to the most important context, right, when they need it.